Alright guys, I was just playing around. You won't believe what I found. Look at that thing. A little zombie riding a chicken. That is freaking hilarious. That is freaking hilarious. Oh my gosh. Well, let's see. Let's give it some action, shall we? Okay, that should be enough. Oops. Yeah, that's that. So let's go into a nice corner where I'll be able to survive for, I don't know, 5 seconds. Okay. Let's go, baby. Ah! No, you can't stop this! Oh! No, 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 no! No, no, no! Oh my gosh! I'm alive! He's alive! I'm trying to get to the chicken! Trying to get to the chicken boy! Oh, goodness gracious. Can I just get to the chicken boy? Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my... No, don't kill me, don't kill me! No! You kidding me? A chicken zombie killed me. So I'm survival, so I could die very easily right now. I think I should go get my stuff. Son, burn them to death. Hello, friends. Hello, high five to you too. Oh, guys, I can't believe I found that. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. I can't believe that. Please subscribe, like, do whatever you want, except for dislike. But thank you guys, and that will be it for today. Bye-bye. I got it.